Okay, here we are with our 2004 Suburban again. We are going to replace the alternator. I'm sure there's 100 videos on how to replace the alternator in a GM truck, but I figure, what the heck, let's do it anyway. All right, I'm back. Wait, I got the wrong shirt. Much better. Okay, so first thing we got to do is we need to loosen the tension off the belt. So we need to pull off this intake right here. So grab your nut driver with a 5/16, and it looks like somebody lost the clamp for here. Well, doesn't look like it comes off either, easily. Okay, lift that out of the way. And tensioner, looks like that's going to be a 15 mil. Okay, so press, lift off the alternator, or actually it's probably easier to lift off the idler pulley. Just slide it off there and release. Okay, make sure you get your belt routing. I'll put that up here or up here, whichever way my camera's going to go. And so then we have our 2 bolts here. This is 15 mil bolt here, 15 mil bolt there. We got a connector right here, and then this looks like 10 millimeter for your charging wire. Don't forget to disconnect your battery. Both these bolts are the same length. Wires are disconnected. Now, just put the new one on, right? So, let's see if I can make this happen. Zap! All right, I learned that trick from Houdini. All right, let's see if I can get these wires on. Ready? All right, how about this one? $10 mil, tighten her up. Put that on here. Negative cable back on. Okay, belt. This is going to be a tough one. 15 mil again. Okay. Over the crank, over the power steering, over the alternator, over the tensioner. So now we just need to move the tensioner towards us enough to slide it on the idler pulley. This may require moving of the over the alternator, not around the bolts. Okay, come on. Okay, where did we mess up? Oh, it's not around the power steering. That's what it is. Okay, there we go. All right, check again, make sure everything's good, and you'll want to check your belt to see if you need to replace it. This would be a good time to replace your belt if you haven't done so. This one is in good shape, so we're going to leave it. All right, put our intake back on. Okay, snap our bracket in for the coolant hose into that guy, and 5/16 tighten her up there. Let's test her out. All right, I forgot where we left off, but I'm pretty sure we need to test it now. So let's bring you inside, see what we're looking at. Before, it would fluctuate. All right, so, oh, and our gauge cluster fixed work. The blend door is still broken. They don't want to fix it right now. Now before we replaced the alternator, it would fluctuate at idle. It looks like now it's holding steady. All right, well, I'm gonna let this run and see if it moves after it warms up, because I was running it for a little bit before I noticed it fluctuating. All right, it's run for about 10 minutes or so. Maybe not that long. And it's holding steady. It dropped just a hair, but it's not fluctuating like it was. So we're gonna call this one good. Okay, let's see if I can get some light in here. Probably not enough, but anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.